welcome back to Story Time to Go with me, Miss Janelle, and Otis. That Otis, he is sleeping again. How are we ever going to have Story Time to Go at the DeSoto Public Library if he is always sleeping? Really important that we wake him up because we're going to talk about waking up for spring. And there's a very famous day about an animal who wakes up and tells us about spring. Do you know what we might be talking about? Yeah! Groundhog Day! So I think we should wake up Otis and tell him about Groundhog Day. There's only one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis. And we have to count 1, 2, 3 and say, "Wake up, Otis." You think you can do it? Yeah? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Otis, it's time to wake up. I was sleeping really well and you woke me up. Otis, that's not how we behave with our friends. I was sleeping and you woke me up, and that was very rude. Please do not wake me up, please. Okay, I guess that's a little bit better, Otis. Yeah. And then I was having this really good dream, and I was warm and cozy in my bed, and what is going on, Otis? I saw something over there. You did? It was dark. It was, and it looked just like me. It was a little bit bigger though. Uh-oh. And it moves every time I move. What is it? Oh, Miss Janelle, I'm so scared. Otis, I think that you are looking at your shadow. My what? Your shadow. Well, what's that? Your shadow is when sunlight shines on you, but not all of the light shines past you or through you. And so you have like a dark shape that follows you around. Oh, I don't like it. It scares me. Oh, well, it's okay. It's nothing to be scared of. But I am glad that you did notice your shadow, because today we're going to talk about something special. Oh, we are? Yeah. There's a very famous groundhog. A groundhog? Don't you know what a groundhog is? No, I don't. Well, he's kind of furry like you. Yeah. And he likes to sleep like you. Yeah. And when he wakes up, he's sometimes grumpy. Oh, he does sound like me. He sounds like a really great guy. I like him already. All right. Well, on February 2nd, every year, we have something called Groundhog's Day. And that's when the groundhog looks for his shadow. And when he sees his shadow, he knows that there's going to be more winter. Oh! But if he doesn't see his shadow, that means that it's going to be springtime. Oh, I like it. Okay, then I won't be scared of my shadow, and I'll be like this groundhog guy. Oh, what is a ground? There he is. Yeah, that's the groundhog for Groundhog Day. So you know what that means? What? It means you're going to have to stay awake while we do our craft and we make a groundhog. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to stay awake. I always stay awake. You do? Yeah. Does Otis always stay awake? No, I'm going to stay awake, I promise, because I like this groundhog. All right, okay. Otis says he's going to stay awake and help us make a groundhog. Are you ready? Yeah. And, oh man, not even for Groundhog's Day will Otis stay awake. Okay, now are you ready to do our craft for this week? We are going to make our own popping up groundhogs. Now, when you come to the library to pick up your Story Time to Go kit, this is what you're going to get inside your kit this week. A paper cup, a popsicle stick, 2 sticker eyes, a pom-pom, glue dots, crayons. Oh, and don't forget, you will also need a brown sheet of paper and a green sheet of paper. And at home, you might need a pair of scissors and a pen. Are you ready to get started with our pop-up groundhog craft? let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing you're going to do is take your brown sheet of paper and draw a circle on it because you are going to need a head for your groundhog. And you can go ahead and cut that circle out. Here it is. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It just has to be circular shaped. Now, we're going to draw a face on our groundhog. And that's his face. Now we're going to use another glue dot, and we are going to glue his head to his body. Well, he's going to be popping in and out of the dirt, so we don't need to make the rest of his body. His head is good enough for us. Our groundhog is missing some ears. Let's go ahead and add some ears on him. Can hear out of, and we are going to use our cup for his hole, and we are going to make him have some grass. So that's what you're going to use, the green paper, and you can cut a strip across just like this, and we are going to wrap it around the cup like this using our favorite glue dots. Ta-da! That looks like a great home for our groundhog. And in order for him to pop out of the bottom, we do need to make a slit. This is the one part that might be a little bit difficult, and you might need to get your mom or dad or a big brother or big sister to help you. So that's where the pin comes in handy. So what you're going to do is take your pin and poke a hole very gently into the bottom of your cup. Then you're going to take your popsicle stick and with that hole, kind of shove him in there. And there you go. That is how you make a pop-up groundhog. Do you think he's going to see his shadow? Do you think we're going to have more winter? We'll just have to wait and find out. Yeah. So I think we did a really great job with our pop-up groundhog. Who do you think we should wake up and show? Otis. Now, do you remember how to wake him up? We have to say 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis. I'm ready. I'm ready to do the craft. Otis? Yeah. We already made the craft. You did? Yes, Otis, you went to sleep. Oh, I went to sleep and now I don't have a groundhog craft. Well, Otis, yeah, maybe we can share our groundhog craft with you. Oh, that'll be really good. That'll be really good. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I like it. Oh, yeah. Can I see it? Oh, yeah, right here. What do you think, Otis? Do you like our groundhog? Oh, I do. He looks really handsome, just like me. What? Yeah. And he looks like he got a really good nap. Oh, well, he probably did. He slept all winter. I know. And maybe that's what I get to do. I'm going to sleep all winter. Notice, Otis, you're not a groundhog. I'm not. No, you're just a dog. Dogs don't get to hibernate the way groundhogs do. Oh, okay, fine. I will take my groundhog. Hey, let's do that. Oh, that's a great job. All right. Well, thank you to all of my friends for coming and learning about Groundhog Day and learning about Otis and me and sleeping. That's not what we learned about today. It's not. No. You ready to say goodbye to our friends and remind them to come to the library to pick up their kit? Oh, yeah. Come by the library to pick up the kit and visit me, Otis. Oh, Otis. All right. Goodbye. Mwah!